The Wild West era of artificial intelligence is over. If you're an asset management executive, you don't need to know how to code a neural network, but you do need to know 3 acronyms that will determine if your firm thrives or faces fines up to 7% of global turnover in the next 24 months. The EU AI Act, NIST, and ISO 42001. The sheriffs have arrived. Today we're stripping away the tech speak to tell you exactly what these frameworks are, why the wait-and-see approach is now a liability, and how to protect your portfolio from the regulatory storm. Think of AI governance like building a skyscraper. You need building codes, architectural plans, and a construction management team. First, the EU AI Act. Think of this as the building code. It's the world's first comprehensive AI law. It categorizes AI based on risk. Spam filters? Yeah, minimal risk. But high-risk tasks face strict legal obligations. Even if you're based in London or New York, if you market to EU clients, this applies to you. Second, we have NIST, the US approach. Think of this as an AI risk management framework. It's the architectural plan. It's a voluntary playbook that helps you map, measure, and manage risk. It's not a law, but regulators are looking closely at it to see if you're doing your homework. Third is ISO 42001. This is the construction management system. You know ISO 27001 for information security, right? Well, ISO 42001, it's the equivalent, but for AI. It's the global standard for an AI management system. It proves to auditors and clients that you aren't winging it. It gives you a certified process to govern AI responsibly. Now you might be thinking, we aren't building killer robots or self-driving cars, we just manage money. So here's why you're in the same zone. Under the EU AI Act, systems used for credit scoring or evaluating access to essential services are explicitly high risk. Now, while standard portfolio management isn't explicitly categorized as high risk yet, the regulatory direction of travel is clear. If you're using a black box algorithm to determine things like client suitability, or using AI, say, for KYC and anti-money laundering, you're walking a tightrope. If the model is biased against certain demographics, or if it starts hallucinating financial advice, you aren't just looking at bad returns, you're looking at a regulatory investigation. ISO 42001 and NIST help you solve that black box problem. They force you to document how decisions are made, ensuring a human, not a bot, has the final say. So why the urgency? Why not look at this, say, next year? Yeah, well, 2 reasons. First, the clock is ticking. Your staff needs to be trained now. And second, probably most importantly, shadow AI. Even if you haven't officially bought an AI tool, I guarantee your junior analysts and other junior staff are currently pasting proprietary data into ChatGPT. It's happening right now. Summarize reports. That is an unmanaged risk. Implementing ISO 42001 isn't a weekend project. It requires mapping these hidden tools, classifying them, and training your staff. If you wait until the regulators knock on your door, well, then it's too late. Here's your bottom line. AI offers incredible returns, but only if it stays on the rails. The EU AI Act sets the rules. NIST tells you how to play the game. And ISO 42001 proves you know what you're doing. Don't let your firm be an example used in the next compliance case study. Start the conversation with your risk and IT officers today. Ask them, what is our ISO strategy? If they don't have an answer, call us. Thanks for watching.